Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Dewalt Impact Drivers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Dewalt Impact Drivers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Dewalt Impact Drivers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Dewalt Impact Driver. First, check the power and torque rating, as these determine how effectively the driver can handle tough materials and demanding tasks. Next, evaluate the battery type and runtime. Lithium-ion batteries are common and provide longer performance with faster charging times. Also, consider the tool's weight and ergonomics, because a comfortable grip and balanced design reduce fatigue during long projects. Pay attention to speed settings and control features, since adjustable speeds allow greater precision for different screw sizes and materials. Finally, think about durability and warranty support, as Dewalt's build quality and service coverage can ensure long-term reliability. These points will help you choose the right impact driver for professional or home use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.